enjoy it.
Yeah.
In a day ranges from repairing decks, a bit of flooring. I did some flooring the other day. Hanging mirrors, hanging pictures, fixing doors. Doors is a big one. A lot of people have problems with their door locks and doors not shutting properly. Had to go repair a door in a townhouse complex. We ended up getting a $40,000 balcony renovation, balcony repair.
Yeah.
With our work, it's pretty much all repeat customers.
Repeat.
And word of mouth. Word of mouth's massive.
Yeah.
It goes a long way.